Show me how to do the puzzle, Jonathan. Good job. There it is. Now, that's the other piece. Are you sure that goes there?
Yeah.
You want to try the other side? There it is. Uh-oh. I don't think that's right. Yeah. You want to switch this one? Yeah. Is that right? No, I don't think that's right, Jonathan. You're getting close. Almost.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Not quite right, huh? That's okay. We'll get it next time.
Oh.
There you got it. Yay! Almost. Yeah, good job. Show me another one.
I just ate it.
Mm-hmm. One more piece.
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. Mommy's been showing you, huh? Good job. Good job, Jonathan.
How about
You got another one?
Yeah.
So busy, aren't you? I don't think that's gonna fit, Jonathan. Try this one. I don't think that one's gonna fit. Try the other one. Try this one with that one. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I don't think that's gonna fit, Jonathan. Oh no, try the other side. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Yeah, good job. One more, Jonathan. There's one more piece right here. Where is it? Is that it over there? Yeah. Good job, Jonathan. Yeah, what does that say? It says diamond. Whoa, you're covering the screen. Okay, Jonathan, let go. You're covering the window. Hold on. There it is. Good job. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Jonathan.